Welcome to HowFixIT, and this video will show you how to replace the battery in Asus ZenBook 15 UX534 FT laptop. To disassemble laptop you will need next tools: Torx T4 screwdriver, Phillips 1 screwdriver, and plastic tool. In the description I left link where to buy all these necessary tools. Turn the laptop over and remove all screws on the bottom cover. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. You can find a replacement battery for Asus UX534 FT by this number. Anyway, in the description under the video I left link where to buy battery for Asus UX534 FT laptop.